everybody, how is it going? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And today I am really excited. I am trying a new subscription box. It is called Lashybox. And if you haven't heard of them, they're a subscription box that does only indie brand products and mostly lashes. And I'm really excited. I haven't tried this before, but I love indie brands and trying new makeup. And I think it's a really good way to be able to try new things without making like a full purchase. And these are full-size products that also come with the lashes as well. This is what the outside box looks like with the little lashes and the logo right there. And this box retails for $13.99 a month. If you're interested, I'll leave the link down below in my description box. There's a few different variations of this box. One of them is just the basic box. I think this is the full-size Lashybox. It's $13.99 a month. And the Lashybox XL is the biggest one. That's $24.99 a month. The Drama Box and the Soft Glam Box. And those both retail for $13.99 as well. So I will definitely link the website down below if you guys are interested in signing up. And I think it's a really good deal because these boxes are supposed to retail from anywhere from $50 to $80 for the products in the box. So I'm really excited, and I love lashes, so I'm really excited to try some new ones I haven't tried yet. And if you guys are interested in this video, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I opened the box and it looks like we got some really cute goodies. The first thing I found in the box was the Beauty Treats Candy Lips. And it looks like it's just a cute little lip gloss, and it comes in a cute little candy component. I think that's absolutely adorable. I'm not really like a huge lip gloss wearer. I wear it sometimes, but like mostly it's liquid lipsticks for me, like the matte ones, because I find like it's really annoying to just like wear a lipstick. It never stays on, so what's the point? But yeah, I'm excited to try this. We got 2 pairs of the Lashybox brand lashes. We got this pair, and this is in the style Honey Bun. And then we got this pair, and that's in the style Bon Bon. And these names are so cute, and these lashes look really extra and super adorable. I'm excited to try them out. And then we got 2 more pairs of lashes. So this brand is called Zola Lashes, and there's 2 different styles. Both look really cute and dramatic. Here's the first one. This one is called Yas. Nice. It's dramatic yet wispy and soft. I really like that. And then this one right here is in the style Mia, and these are a little bit more dramatic lengthwise, and they're cute and fluttery. I'm really excited to wear them. And then lastly, we got a cute little palette, which I think is so cool because I got the Drama Box, and all of the subscription boxes come with their own palette usually at least once a month. So I'm really excited to try this out. This is by the brand, I think it's called Hime Beauty Sweet Dessert. And this palette is the Berry Lover one. So there's different colors of these palettes by the brand, and they all have like a different like dessert or food on it. I got the red variation, and I haven't seen it. It looks like this on the outside. And then you got these. Oh my gosh, they are so adorable. I don't have a palette that's just like red and pinks like this. Like, it's so cute. Look at the inside of this. This is absolutely adorable. It has enough mattes, enough shimmers. I think it's just a really cute color story. I really don't use reds like that, but I really want to start experimenting more with like pinkish reds or deep pinks. Muted red type colors. I think that's absolutely gorgeous with like a shimmer on the eye. And yeah, this is such a cute palette. I'm really excited to use this one as well. That was all of the products in the box. I am going to try out some of the stuff that we got. I'm going to use a pair of the lashes, the lip gloss, and of course use the palette. If you guys are interested, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, first I'm gonna go in with the shade My Milkshake. It is a matte, muted red, reddish pink color right here. I'm gonna put that all over my crease.
I just wanna get you on my grid sometimes, on my grid sometimes. All my friends are saying that I waste my time.
That's a really pretty red, but it's more pink. But I do notice that it is a deeper pink.
When I'm all alone, try not to think about it. Invade my thoughts with your honeycomb. Try not to think about it, but baby I do.
Okay, it is looking really cute so far. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Daiquiri, which is that true matte red color right here. I'm going to go and deepen the outer parts of my crease. This palette is super pigmented, like these shadows are really nice so far. I just never heard of this brand, so I'm always willing to try new stuff, and that's why I wanted to sign up for this box and see what I think. Okay, that's what we're looking like so far. I'm really loving this look, like really red and pink and in your face. Next, I'm gonna go in with my NYX glitter primer to make the shimmers pop. Okay, we have the creases cut, and now I'm gonna go in with the shade Delish, which it looks like this beautiful champagne-y pink shimmer right here. And I'm feeling really cute and very pink and fruity in this look, and I'm loving it. I almost forgot again. This bow is so cute, and it is from Etsy from the shop Thread Lightly, and I'll also link that shop down below if I can. They have really cute bow headbands, and I love them. I have a few of them from them, and I'm getting more for sure. So next with the look, I'm going to go in with the shade Whipped and actually put that on the outer parts of the lid. Right where the light shimmer meets the matte, just so there's a nice transition. Yeah, it definitely looks more gradient that way. Nice, I'm loving it, yay! This is so cute. Next I'm gonna go in with Shake It Up, and it looks like this deep mauve-y red, and it's a matte right here. I'm gonna go and put that along the lower lash line. Cute! I'm excited. Okay, so I am going to go put the rest of my face on besides my lashes, so I can try those on camera. I'll be right back to do that. Okay guys, I am back, and so what I did, hear me out, I used the Colourpop, the black gel liner pencil, and then I wanted to experiment with some glitters because I'm always looking to step up my makeup look a little bit, and I went in with two of the glitters that I had got from the Amazon bundle of glitters. When I ordered those, this was part of that pack. We have the really fine black glitter and the really fine reddish pink glitter, and I wanted to put those with the look because I really wanted to make like the reddish pink but with black and make it all like grungy and, you know. But yeah, I think that the black glitter was a little much, because I don't know, you guys tell me what you think. I think it's a little, like, I've never used black glitter before, but it kind of looks like I just like smudged a bunch of eyeliner on the like outer parts of my eyes, but that's not the case. I put the black glitter on the outer parts of my lid, and then right next to it I used the pink glitter. I kind of wanted to do a little bit of like a transition between the light pink and just the black, instead of making it just like a harsh line. But I think it did actually turn out really well. I'm excited. And now we're gonna put on the lashes that I got from the box. I wanted to use the style Bon Bon because I just think these are absolutely adorable. I'm gonna take my Kiss Clear Lash Glue pen. I've been absolutely loving this. It definitely actually helps my lashes stay on, because my lashes like never stay on, and it really aggravates me. Like, I only have so much patience to like sit there and mess with the lashes, but I do want to keep wearing them. I know everyone's just like, you don't have to wear them. I'm like, I want to. Like, my lashes right now, it suck. Like, my real lashes, they're small, short, and straight. And I just, you know, I want the dramatic look. I want it. Now we're gonna go in and put the lashes on. I like that. I want to add the liner to the rest of my look as well. That's very cute. And I think I'm feeling a wing today, so I'm gonna do that as well. Hopefully I don't mess this up and ruin my entire look, because I have done this. I think I hear the ice cream truck outside. Oh, that sounds so good. I'm being good, I'm not eating it. Ooh, this turned out super cute and I love it. I'm feeling the red and black vibes always. Lastly, we're going to be using the Beauty Treat Candy Lips, the lip gloss that came in the box. I'm wondering if this smells anything like candy. Okay, so yes, it does. It has like a sweet tart, like Smarties type of smell. It's really good. I like the smell. And it's cute. It's purple. I mean, I don't know if it shows up purple. Let's find out.
I just wanna get you on my grid sometimes, on my grid sometimes. All my friends are saying that I waste my time, that I waste my time.
It's definitely very glossy. So obviously it's not purple. There's no purple tint to it whatsoever. I think the purple is kind of just for like decoration or aesthetic or whatever. I'm not a gloss person, like I said, but it is really comfortable so far. I don't see myself wearing this often or like ever. So, you know, I'm not gonna not use it, but it's not gonna be my first go-to. As far as the palette goes, I really did thoroughly enjoy playing with the palette. My only thing is that I never reach for monochromatic palettes, and when I see this color story, it's very cute and I really like it. It's very pretty and pink and fruity and it's really cute, but you can only do so many looks with the monochromatic palette, and it kind of bothers me that I can only do like a few. I can do maybe 2, maybe 3 looks with this. I don't know, it's just a very like, it's too limited for me to reach for all the time. It's more of like a companion palette if you're going for like a reddish type look or a pink look or some type of neutral with a pop of pink look, you can always go to this palette and use another palette as well for any type of options that you don't have in this one. For the lashes, I'm really loving these. They're so cute. I'm really feeling this look, guys. It is so stunning. So I really did thoroughly enjoy Lashybox. I think I'm gonna keep the subscription, see what I get next month. This was the April 2022 box, but next month, May, I'm gonna get that box as well. I'm excited to try the other lashes that this box came with and keep playing with that palette a little bit more. The gloss might sit in my drawer, might not, I don't know. I really did enjoy opening and trying these new products. If you guys are interested, as I said before, the link will be down below for you to sign up or browse to see if you'd be interested in this. And they also have an Instagram, and I'll link that down below as well. So if you guys did enjoy this video and you enjoyed me doing an unboxing video, please give me a thumbs up. I hope you decide to subscribe and join the Insydious squad family. You know, I'm really excited to have you guys here, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching my videos and clicking on me and just giving me a chance to show everyone how much I love makeup and that I can do some creative looks. I'm really excited. So yeah, I hope everyone has a great rest of their week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.